No one's probably been in here since the car was new. So you want to get a vacuum cleaner, wipe all this out, get it as clean as possible before we take this collar off, and I'll show you how to do that. But to get this plug off, you're just basically going to want to use a pick tool on one side. You're going to lift away with a pick tool, and I'll show you this in just a second, but you lift away and then this plug will come off, then we can get this top cover plate out of the way. All right, really quick addition just so this plug makes a lot more sense. You can see it's got this collar. It was in this orientation, and you just take and push on this collar and it'll slide away, and then the plug will just walk itself right off. Then you can get this up and out of the way right there. So, like I said, the next thing you want to do is I take this cover gasket out, and that's just going to be to help keep it quiet. We're going to wipe all of this out. I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner, take and get as much dirt and grime out as I can, and then we're going to talk about taking this fuel line off next. All right, so now that this is, pretty reasonably cleaned up, and mine wasn't too dirty. I've seen some examples that are just awful. So I just used a rag and got it all cleaned up. Now, you're gonna wanna start stuffing some rags around the perimeter here. And now, you don't want them stuck out too much because they're gonna get in the way when you take the ring off. But if you stuff some rags or some paper towels, into these various different crevices back here, you can get this set up because when we pull the fuel line and when we pull the pump itself, we're gonna get some gas spillover, okay? So, and you don't want to get it on your carpet, and you're going to want to take it up and out of the car as quickly as you can. So make yourself a path on how to do that.